Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a transparent header in Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to give your online store a sleek, modern look, that polished, professional touch that really lets your homepage imagery shine through. This small tweak can make a big impact, helping your brand stand out and giving your store that premium feel. It's easier than you might think, so let's jump right in together. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is your control center, the dashboard where you manage your products, handle orders, and customize the look and feel of your website. Make sure you're logged in, and if you have multiple stores, double-check that you're working on the right one. Once you're on your admin homepage, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and find the tab labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click on that. The Online Store section is where you can manage everything about your storefront's appearance, including themes, blog posts, navigation, and pages. It's always a safe bet to explore these options. But for now, we'll stay focused on customizing that header. After you've selected Online Store, you'll see a few different options drop down. Click on the Customize button. This is usually next to your active theme. Customizing here takes you into Shopify's theme editor, which lets you visually adjust how your store looks without touching any code. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially if you're not a developer but still want your store to look exactly the way you envision it. Once you're inside the theme customizer, take a look at the panel on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see different sections and components of your Shopify site, like the header, footer, and homepage sections. Find and select the header option. Clicking this will bring up all the settings related to your store's header. That's the area at the very top of your website where your logo, navigation menu, and maybe even a shopping cart are displayed. This is often the first thing visitors notice when they land on your site, so giving it a custom look can really set the tone. Now, shift your attention to the right side of the editor, where you'll see a preview of your store and settings related to the header. Scroll down here. Sometimes, depending on your theme, these options might be a little tucked away, so don't worry if you need to look around for a moment. You're searching for the Homepage Transparent Background option. This setting is what allows your header to become see-through, letting the banner image or whatever graphic sits under your header show through. When you find it, enable or toggle it on. Just a heads up, when you turn this on, your header will blend with the background of your homepage, so make sure your background image or color looks good with your logo and navigation links. Sometimes you may need to tweak text colors for contrast, but don't worry, you can always adjust this later. Once you've enabled the transparent background, all that's left is to hit the Save button at the top right. Give it a second to save your changes. And that's it. Head back to your main store and refresh the homepage to see your transparent header in action. It's a pretty simple process, but it can transform the overall vibe of your store. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up. Drop any questions you have down below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or offer tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!